Welcome back today to Lunch at the Market. Hope everyone had a restful break from the markets yesterday. We are busy getting ready for the Make-A-Wish Foundation charity event with Ombu Restaurants. If you're in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, come out and support the Make-A-Wish Foundation. We're sending out our man on the street to be the celebrity host over at Ombu Restaurant from 5 to 10 p.m. tonight. 10% of the night's proceeds for Ombu Restaurants will go to the Make-A-Wish Foundation charity. The markets seem to be holding up so far today. We've used the rally days over the last couple of weeks to raise cash and buy puts instead of buying the dips. We've put in place for the March expiration, so we're holding on tight for the rest of February unless something really asserts itself as a bargain. Until then, we'll sit on our puts and watch the market. We win either way. Well, actually, we'll take a loss on our puts if the market continues higher, but if we see the market roll over, we'll sell those puts at a gain and stay long our stock. If we see something fundamentally change, then we may exercise the put if we see the stock fall materially below our put strike prices or we think things have changed for the foreseeable future. But from where we sit now, things really do look like profits are improving. Some of the leading indicators are giving us good numbers, and the hardest hit real estate markets are seeing inventory decline. We have real estate agents in Southern California we work with. They're asking banks to release more properties because they see demand. Tomorrow is a big energy day. Calumet Specialty Products and Chesapeake both report numbers. We'll cover both of those calls on Twitter. I believe CLMT has their call tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and CHK has their call Thursday morning at 9 a.m., even though they report tomorrow after the close. We're long both of those names, and we hope to see good things come out of their comments. We're anxious to see if CHK makes any comments from the energy conference we were at last week over at Wake Forest University. We'd love to hear them announce a deal with Duke Energy on the call. They certainly talked at the energy conference after all those exciting words that were exchanged between the two CEOs. Our speculative European banks, IRE and BCS, are up today. Barclays reported a very strong year for 2009. It looks like they've retired quite a bit of debt and now have over $500 a share of cash on the balance sheet with $1.37 trillion in cash and only $498 billion in debt. This has improved over their already strong position the first time we covered the company and its fundamentals. The Greek banks are also interesting for a spec play. James Altucher was on CNBC last week talking about NBG. If you're a risk taker, you can take a look at that bank, down nearly 5% today. Please keep in mind that this stock is highly speculative, and you should be prepared to lose 100% of your investment, especially if you don't watch it. But for a fun spec play, you can own National Bank of Greece, symbol NBG. For another $3 bank stock that you'll have to own for some time to really see the return, we think Citigroup, symbol C, is perfectly fine right here around $3.25. The financials have been out of favor with investors for months now. We think most of the downside is already priced in. So banks and energy look good to us. We're long both, and we're looking forward to March to resolve some of this indecision we see in the markets right now. Thanks for watching today, and we hope to see you at Ombu Restaurant tonight for the Make-A-Wish Foundation charity event. The first 50 tables get a gift bag, and that's got a ton of really cool coupons, offers, and promotions inside, including the fabulous Tiger Tail from Freebies Bakery. Thanks for spending your lunch at the market with us, and we'll see you tonight at Ombu Restaurant.